On June 28, 2023, at Joliet Public Library, an unwanted guest caused a disturbance and refused to leave, forcing police to step in and handle the situation.
Hey, what's going on? You're trespassing. You said you're gonna dance in here.
What? I ain't gonna get served no paper, dog.
Did they tell you you can be here?
I'm supposed to. I mean, I can be here.
Have you
I'm a
told them
citizen.
not to be here? I never did.
I'm a resident.
You gotta go. They don't want you here.
I got a pass.
Okay, listen, you can't come back here. We're telling
So
you.
y'all kicking me out of Joliet then, huh?
Well, that was.
That's the
They
case?
don't want you at the
Do
library.
you want me out of Joliet? Could you answer that for me?
They don't want you at the
Could
library.
you ask me? Could you answer that for
I
me?
just did. If you leave, you can
Y'all
leave.
both talking at the same time.
You can't be here. They don't want you here. So let's go. Simple as that.
Do y'all want me out of Joliet?
I want you out of here. Let's go.
You said Joliet. We said the library.
Shut up.
Let's go. This way.
What? I dealt with you last time.
I don't give a pop bubble gum.
Yeah.
And get off my heels. I see a whole lot of that.
Come back, get locked up, bro.
You better not sniff powder.
Okay.
With your little Boy Scout hat. Don't touch me. Don't ever. Don't rush me. You see what you just You see what you just did?
You see what you just did?
I ain't get shit to you.
Turn on. Roll on. Roll on.
You arrested me?
Roll. Yep. Run arrest.
Here's another you.
I see a whole lot.
I got it.
A whole lot.
Let go. I got it.
Let him go.
Yep.
Let him go. Pressure point.
All we got that he was inside the computer from the call.
How? Push. Let me get that.
Slow him down.
It's a whole lot of this. It's a whole lot of that. Don't you ever push back up on an American native citizen. Come on. You're breaking my arm. I'm not resisting. Look at you.
Yep.
Why is he pulling me this way? You pulling me that way?
Bro, I told you earlier this is gonna happen.
No, it ain't.
I told you earlier. Yeah, dude.
If you wanted to do it, I ain't resisting.
Here you go.
My hands is bleeding.
Hey.
Look at you. Want y'all to communicate.
Princess, why are you yelling?
Oh, cuz I'm getting abused.
Calm down.
Look at it.
Yeah.
You just saw it.
What you need to do?
Coward.
I don't think so. Come on. Stand up. Stand up. There you go.
Okay. You ain't gonna touch me. Let me go. Let me go. All that for what?
I got it.
Coward.
Hey, it's deputy.
Coward.
Hey, right now, deputy disorderly.
Get your hand off me.
Yep.
I'm already in hands. Yup, him. Why you still got your hands on me for? Wrong guy.
You want to cuss?
You pushed me out of the
I
building.
told you don't come back.
I'm a citizen. They gave me a computer pass.
You don't get in my face.
If I want to walk from the computer will never lock me in.
They told you.
Oh, now you want to throw me. Now you want to search me.
You gonna get
You
something.
just raked me across the ground. Let's get each rally.
Hey, the whole thing's
I'll
been
be right back out.
the whole thing's been and is being
I
recorded.
don't care.
Okay.
We'll write the paperwork.
Yeah. Have a seat.
Extradite me out.
Have a seat. Get in my face.
Don't you ever put your hands on me like that.
Don't get in my
I
face.
ain't getting in your face.
Don't
You
get in my
gotta
face.
put the
Don't get in
seatbelt
my
on.
face.
You see that?
Don't.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I told him his name is Princeton Jones.
We arrested him for us.
He comes in and this is what he does. He goes up and tries to make stuff, and then he goes into the makes messes and tries to wash me. I said, don't do that, man. And then I told him, hey man, don't block the door. And he starts yelling at me and said, nah, tell him not to go upstairs. He goes upstairs and
He said all there. You can't be pushing.
yeah, cops. Yeah, I told him. I just told my colleague, man, why would you push the cop? Why? I didn't hear smoke. I said, don't smoke in front of him. Smoke down. He's like, I'm an American citizen. I do whatever I want. I'm like, but not in here, man.
Right.
And then here today, He was just looking at us and laughing. I'm like, why are you laughing, man? I told you not to be here, dude.
Okay.
Thanks, man.
Hey, no problem.
Da 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 da.
And tell him I want a speedy trial now. And I'm bonding out.
Yeah,
You harassed me in your car.
you're definitely bonding out. I got you.
You got that?
Yeah. You're right. You're bonding out. That's what happens.
And I get my bond back when I beat my case.
Okay.
Out of your private, look here. Let's go all the way around the board.
Mm-hmm.
Push it.
Put you to Congress.
No. Don't shed a tear. Don't shed a tear.
Shedding a tear.
Let's go.
Okay.
Let's push the paperwork.
So here's what we're gonna do.
Whatever. What you arresting me for?
Okay.
What is you arresting me for?
Number one, trespass.
For one, I'm not trespassing if that computer logged me in.
Well, I'm gonna tell you what. I'm gonna tell you what you get arrested for. You ain't gotta agree. You ain't gotta agree.
You already threw me in the car. You didn't even leave me no Miranda rights.
Do you want me to tell you or not?
I want to.
Okay.
Princeton faced several charges, including trespass, disorderly conduct, and resisting. Under a plea deal, he admitted to resisting arrest while the other charges were dropped. He was fined $635 in court costs